I believe we are recording. It's gonna be my catchphrase. Are you fucking kidding me? And I believe we are recording. Let's try this again. Tried that a minute ago. Hey guys, welcome back to BNCRC. If you watched yesterday's little unboxing video, you might have heard me say something along the lines of I'll be back in a day or so with something better. That was my little MN 12th scale Land Cruiser thing. Well, something a little better showed up today. This is a way bigger box. And it wasn't $40. Don't tell my old lady. Because she has a strong hate for the toy trucks. It's a big fucking box, I'll tell you what. Here we go. There you have it. Just lay your eyes on that for a second. Got me a Vanquish Products VS4 Phoenix ready to run. Straight axle version. I know that I'm late to the party on this. These have been out for quite a long time. The portal axles have been out quite a long time too. I think this comes with the VFD twin transmission with the selectable overdrive, F10 steering angle detail, blah blah blah. Must be steered pretty good. I wouldn't expect anything but the best from a Vanquish product. I was out of the game for quite a while, and the Vanquish stuff used to be out of reach for me. I just would not spend that kind of money. But now a Vanquish ready to run costs the same or less than an axial ready to run. My last axial ready to run was $4.99, and it wasn't anything to get excited about as far as I was concerned. This one was a little less than that after paying $30 to ship it. Oh, where's the bullshit first? Got the gray version, by the way. There's some stuff in that box. Oh, extra parts and stuff. There's wheel centers there. All kinds of shit that I don't really know what it is. I'll get into that later. I could make guesses and say stuff and give you some misinformation like I normally do. It's kind of a trademark of my programming here. Oh, what we got here? 4 double A's. Comes with that. Bunch of stickers. And a manual. And I'll bet, being a Vanquish product, it'll be a pretty good manual because they probably sell more kits than ready to runs of this. And I can't imagine they would make separate manuals. That's a big old thing of stickers there. Whole bunch of Phoenix. Okay. There's a VT1 radio manual, the VE1 Hobby Wing speed control manual. Gotta try to get through this. There is a manual with full detailed build instructions. Part of me wishes I'd have went for a kit, but then I probably would have got the mullet, and then I wouldn't have been quite so late to the party. There it is. Take a look at that. This box is awful heavy. I don't know what the hell is in here. More parts. Lots of parts. I'm not exactly sure what all that shit is. Looks like transmission parts. There's a steering wheel, windshield wipers, a shifter. Lots of detaily stuff. This truck does not have an interior in it. See if I can get that zip tie off without cutting my finger off. Oh, man, that's a tough zip tie. I might need a better tool for the job. Jesus Christ. 3 slashes. That's a pretty sharp knife, too. Good looking back half rig there. This does not come with the bed sides. There's our Vanquish, whatever they called it, the VS1, I think. I just saw a VT1. Memory ain't for shit. Got a nice digital readout. Feels pretty good in the hand. It doesn't have the little thumbstick for the driving one-handed, so I'll have to keep driving two-handed like a normal fucking human being. I'm not going to go too crazy with the details on this. There's been hundreds of unboxings for this rig all over the internet while I was away doing my other things after selling my RC collection. Hey, look at that. The clips come right out. Axial could learn something from that. That Jeep is a pain in the fucking balls. Oops, I just let the cat out of the bag what I spent $500 on. And the body just flips up out of the way. It doesn't flip further than that. Nope, I guess that's how far that goes. There is an easily removable pin in the front too. I've seen that. Right there. There's a little pin to pull out of there. That is a little harder to get to. Seems to be a little jammed up there. Just spun forward a little. Easy to do with your fingers though once you get the son of a bitch pointed the right way. Then you push your pin through, pull the pin out, take the body off and get it the fuck out of the way. Nice, easy. Man, there's a lot of transmission going on there. In order to use the dig and variable underdrive, you gotta put 2 more servos in this thing. A standard servo and a micro servo. I don't remember exactly which does which. It's not usually something I would screw around with, but I think I probably will since the rig is capable of it. Man, this thing is heavy. I cannot get over the weight of it. I don't need to tell you. Front axle's offset. Someone else has already told you that. Links are super heavy duty. All the plastic is super rugged. Steel rails all the way down. Not crazy about the battery mount. It's back a little far, but if this rig is so heavy, you could fucking hang it off the roof and it would make this thing top heavy. That is about what I got there. Tires, super sticky. I mean, they're like bubblegum sticky. That's crazy. I think I'm going to keep this unboxing short and sweet. You can watch a whole bunch more from somebody else. And I'll get back with maybe a little adventure on the rocks in the daylight tomorrow or something. Kind of late right now for that. It's just getting dark outside. I had to sneak it down here so the old lady don't kill me. Because she'd like to. So there it is. The Vanquish VS4 Phoenix. Ready to run. Straight axle edition. Can't wait to see what she's made of. I also have the Stance, which is an excellent RC ready to run rig. I talk gibberish. I'm out. Goodbye.